If you want to share your Mailchimp newsletter on Instagram, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. This is a great option if you want to get more visibility for your newsletter, drive more traffic to your content, and make it easier for your audience to discover what you're sending out. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the campaign section and click on it. This is where Mailchimp stores your newsletters and other email campaigns, so this is the right place to start. After that, find the specific email or newsletter you want to share and click on it to open the campaign details. When the campaign opens, scroll down through the page until you find the option that says Create a Social Post. This feature allows you to repurpose your newsletter content into a social media post, which is perfect for sharing on Instagram. Click that option to begin the process. Next, Mailchimp will prompt you to connect your Instagram account if it is not already linked. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once Instagram is connected, you can create and share the post directly from Mailchimp. At this stage, you may be able to review the content, adjust the caption, and make sure everything looks good before posting. This is really useful because it saves time and helps you turn one newsletter into more content across different platforms. Instead of manually recreating the message for Instagram, you can use Mailchimp's built-in sharing tools to streamline the process. So, to recap, go to Mailchimp, open campaigns, choose the newsletter you want to share, scroll down to Create a Social Post, and then connect Instagram to share your post. Once that's done, your newsletter can reach even more people through social media. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on Mailchimp, Instagram, and other marketing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.